Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many attempts. Try again later. On the application of Indeed job search, you click on settings. Here in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about the application of Indeed job search. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.